Have you ever gone to vent your sunroof and absolutely nothing happens? So this has actually happened to me before, but that time all I did was turn the car off and turn it back on and it worked. So this happened like 3 weeks ago, and over that time I've had the car on and off plenty of times and it didn't fix itself yet. So I was doing some deep research on the internet and I came across this relearning process for the Dodge Nitro. I'm gonna see if it works on my Dodge Dart. I think it has to be open. So my buttons do work, the close and the open button, but you have to hold them to get them to go into the right positions. And you have to hold this button when it's already closed to get it to vent, like this. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it because this is a timed process. See, look. Now I have to press it a bunch of times to get it to open. So I'm gonna press and hold the close button until it closes. As soon as it closes, I'm gonna release the button. Then I'm gonna press and hold it again for 10 seconds. After that, it should be vented. Then I'm going to release the button, and within 5 seconds of releasing the button, I am going to press and hold it again for 5 seconds, I believe. And at that point, the sunroof should cycle through all of its settings, I think, and it should work after that. Wow, that worked. Let's see if it vents. No, it didn't work. All right, let's try it again. All right, let's give this another go. It's also possible that I might need a new motor. Hey! We got it to vent and it closes properly and it opens properly. Back to close. I'm gonna vent it. I'm gonna vent it one more time. I'm gonna vent, guys. If that works for you guys, give this a like and make sure you subscribe, please. Also, I'm going to be having another giveaway, guys, when I hit 500 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be bigger and better than last time. This is actually caused by turning the car off while the sunroof is in the vented position and leaving it there. So make sure you don't do that. Since this fix was originally for the Dodge Nitro and it worked on my Dart, who knows how many Dodges it could work for. Chargers, Challengers, you know, it might work on all Mopars. Who knows? So try it out on your car. Let me know if it works down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.